Okay, here's the finished assembly, and now it's time to pour the concrete. Okay, I'm making one more mold, and I also made this duct tape dagger. So once this is all screwed together and concrete's poured in, I'll push this dagger right into the center and hopefully get a nice shape for when I cast the copper. Alright, let's cut to a build time lapse. Okay guys, this is one extremely crude box. Yeah, this board's gonna have to be replaced. Oh god. That's pretty... yeah. I'll have to get a new board for that. And here we got two completed molds. The first one for a vertical casting attempt. Here's the knife. Goes in like that. And the second one over here is for a horizontal casting attempt. The dagger will go in just like that.
But for now, let's get straight to the concrete pours.
Stanley. It's okay. I could pull a little bit away from the edges, then try to smooth this as best I can. Remove air bubbles. And just do a quick test. See, yeah, maybe a little bit more in length. Bring it out to there. Yeah, that will leave room. All right. Oh, that's hard to push down. This will be extremely difficult to get out, I'm having a feeling. But it looks like we'll get a nice impression. That is a very good impression. Maybe I could try to reform the part where I had to grab. That gives us a thinner blade and a thicker handle. I'll try reforming this though, because it's very hard to get out. Okay, here's the final impression. It turned out pretty well. Hopefully everything dries okay. On to the next one. Okay, it's been about 6 hours since I poured the concrete. It's looking pretty good, no cracks, no damage. And I just moved it to the garage because it's going to be around 39 degrees tonight, and concrete does not cure well below 50 degrees. Okay, here's the mold, and I tried to fix it by adding this little rock right here. That way I can make the handle a bit thinner, because before it was like this wide and wasn't very good. But honestly, I'm not too happy about how it went, and next time I'll probably just try styrofoam and sand. I guess it's okay, because I did want to try this method to see if it would work, but so far not looking too good. Okay, it's been 6 hours since I poured this, and if you look inside right there, nothing has caved in, so I'm actually surprised. Hopefully this one works. Here's the other mold. And don't miss the next video. I'll be casting with copper using thermite. And that's it for this one. Bye.